In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Oracle AI Data Platform Developer extension in Visual Studio Code. The extension provides direct access to Oracle AI Data Platform resources from within Visual Studio Code. After connecting, I can work with agents, workflows, knowledge bases, and workspace files without leaving my development environment. In this scenario, I want to install the extension, connect it to an Oracle AI Data Platform instance, and explore its capabilities. To get started, I'll open the Visual Studio Code Marketplace and search for the Oracle AI Data Platform Developer extension. I'll select Install to add the extension to Visual Studio Code. Once installation completes, the extension becomes available from the Visual Studio Code sidebar. I'll confirm the extension is installed, then open it and authenticate using browser login. Next, I'll enter my Oracle AI Data Platform URL. A pop-up window appears and I'll log in using my credentials. Now the extension displays information from AI Data Platform. I'll select a workspace, then I can access the files and resources in it that are available to me. I'll browse agent resources directly in Visual Studio Code. Agents support both visual and code-based development experiences. I can edit, create, and manage code-based agents through this extension, while agents created through the visual flow can only be managed. First, I'll look at a file that defines an agent. I can right-click and select Preview File if I want to review its contents. To edit the file, I will right-click and select Download File. After I make my changes, I will right-click it again and select Push to Server to save my changes. I can also change my settings so files I save are automatically uploaded and saved to the AIDP instance instead of doing so manually. Next, I'll review the actions available for an agent. I can fully manage an agent doing tasks like attaching compute or deploying it. In the window, I'll select the play icon to deploy it, then choose Playground and Deploy Only. In the pop-up window, I can query my agent to test its behavior and view information such as a visual trace of the agent invocation. Now I'll move to Compute Resources and Workflows. The extension lets me review both without switching back to the interface. I'll select a workflow run. Then I can monitor status and inspect execution details directly within Visual Studio Code. Next, I'll open the master catalog. From here, I can access shared data resources, including schemas, volumes, and knowledge bases. Finally, I'll run a Python file by selecting Run on AIDP cluster. I'll choose a target cluster and run it. The extension runs the code on the selected cluster and returns the execution results directly within Visual Studio Code. Now that I've installed and connected the Oracle AIDP Developer extension, I can access and manage Oracle AI Data Platform resources directly from Visual Studio Code. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on Oracle AI Data Platform in the links below.